Good evening everybody, my name is Ashish Jaiswal and today I am going to speak about old generation versus new generation. So sir, if you don't mind, can I question?
Yes,
Sir, do you like the thought process of young generation or old generation?
I think both are having a different thought process, so it's difficult to say. But if I choose, I will choose the old people.
Okay, it was an amazing answer and I would like to give my opinion on this topic that old generation people had a quality time with their family, but today's generation have not any quality time with their family. They just go on job and do they waste their time outside, but they don't invest their time with their family. They just always are hurry in their work and they just don't want to spend some time and few times with their family. But the earlier people used to spend their time with their family and they used to talk about their loopholes. They used to find the solution for their queries and they used to work in unity. And another thing that I want to say that old generation people were very patient and today's generation are very impatient. They are just trying to focus on many things, like they are just getting skills of computers and also they are trying to speak in English, coaching class, tuition class and also as well as college. They are just focused on in many directions. Little bit down. They are focused on many directions. They are focused in many directions, but earlier people were focused at only in one direction. They used to miss if they wanted to become a doctor, so they used to choose only doctor's field. If they wanted to become engineer or any aspirant, so they used to focus at one thing. That is the reason older generation people are more successful than younger generation. This is the first positive point, and another thing that I want to say that old generation youngsters are very curious. I don't mean that younger generation has not more skills. They have many skills and they are smart. They have spark in them. They are spontaneous and even they do their work in a quick way. Also, they just want to make money in an easy way. But the thing is that they are addicted to social media. They are whole day they are busy on social media. They just don't want to see other people. They just busy in their own world. But the people those who are from older generation, if their relatives used to come their home, they used to touch their feet. They used to greet them and they used to respect them if there is no anyone at home. But today's people. Young boys, if they see any relatives, they just lock their door inside and they just go inside the door and they just don't want to meet and greet any relatives. This is the other thing. And today's generation, the technology has been increased and also implemented in the market. But this is the advantages and disadvantages also. Just because technology has replacing human being and making them unemployment. And the best thing is that about technology, are just making our India so on top level and also creating so much awareness about the technology. The people, those who are from older generation, they think that yes, they think they are hardworking people, they are patient, they are dedicated to their work, they are very hardworking. And even one more example that I want to give of one person who belongs from Uttar Pradesh and he just came from scratch and he just wanted to make his career in business, but he faced a lot of problem and also struggled a lot. First, he has no money to even book a single ticket for coming from Uttar Pradesh to Mumbai for bread and butter. But I don't know, however, he just collected money and came to Mumbai. After that, he started doing some work, he started selling sugar cane, but he did not success over there. And after that, he just wanted to open his own shop and he just decided himself But over there it was not easy to open shop. Once he opened shop, there also it was difficult to pay the rent of the shop, and even it was difficult to earn more profit from that shop. But it did not stop over there. After that, he opened with his confidence, and also he learned his business very well. But after 2 years and years, he got succeed, and he got success in his life, and now he is on top level. He is giving good education to his children, as well as a good quality time to his family. He is none other than my father, and he is from old generation. So his mindset is totally from like an old generation. And one more example that I want to share of one of my friends. He is from well-good family, and his father is also on good position, and his mother also earns money. But he enjoys his life in college, and he wastes his time, and also he wastes his money in colleges with friends. He always goes to Starbucks and takes a snap and upload on Instagram or whatever on social media. But he doesn't know the value of money, and even he just wasting his life. But earlier people had the value of money. They used to keep it like ornaments, and here there is no value of money by the younger generation. Younger generation. And one more thing that I want to share about older generation. In older generation, people, mostly females, they used to, whenever they used to fall in love, they used to just inform their parents, and before marrying the particular boy, to their parents used to decide to whom they should get married. But today's generation, I don't think that any girls inform their parents before falling in love with any boys. They just immediately fall in love, and they start chatting with each other, and as well as once they face any problem in their life, after that they come to know, after that they come to their father and family and tell them all the queries and problems that this happened to me. But before falling in love, they didn't have an idea about the particular problem what they are going to face in life. But people, those who are from old generation, they are very patient in their work. They can wait for money, and they can wait for their opportunity. They can wait for making his career in life. But today, I don't think they are just they are patient. They are impatient like me. And even I am from young generation, so I can share my experience as well. What I just want, let me tell you guys, I just want to make money, quick money. I don't think that what should be implemented in me. I think that I am the good one in every field, and other people are less educated than me. But it doesn't mean that if you are uneducated and you have a high quality education, then only you are going to get succeed. This is my point of view. And most of the thing is social media. Social media has surrounded all the people of younger generation. Even the father sits with their child by using phone, and one side he will chat or he will use his phone, and other side his child will use phone. There is no communication between them. But people, those who are from old generation, they used to talk with their children. They used to make them understand about the studies, about the ecosystem, about the society. So they used to teach them. And even one more thing, that is people from the young generation, they are not in unity. They always think about themselves. They don't want to help anyone. They even don't want to go anywhere else. They just only are happy with their family. But it's not like that in previous year. In previous year, people used to live in unity. They used to solve disputes together, even they were their queries were being listened by the government as well when they were in unity. And but today they are just pulling everyone's leg down, that they don't want anyone else to be succeed in their life. But earlier it was not like. They all were used to support people to get success in their life. And one more, I can say that yes, technology has increased, education system has increased, and medicine, medical, hospitality, everything has increased in today's generation. And this is the one more advantages of today's generation, because earlier these facilities were not there. So they used to face many problems, like once any incident used to take place, they were not aware of anything, and they used to face a lot, like they were not able to go to hospital just due to distance, and even they used to not get a high quality education, so they used to not get success in their life. But today we can see, just because of internet, just because of technology, just because of phone, everything has become easy to access. And we can, while eating, while just going, we can read anything on phone, and it has become easy to command anything. I think there is a little bit disadvantages of young generation and advantages of young generation. Both the generation have little bit advantages and disadvantages. That I was just wanted to say about old generation and young generation. And last but not the least, I would say everyone, like old generation and young generation, are good in their work, and they are all good at their place. And the people, those who are from young generation, they are just busy in their work. They don't want to help people. Like in train, they just fight and they disrespect people. Those who are elder than them, they just fight. Sometimes they abuse just to get a seat. And even I see the small child, those who go to college, they smoke outside of the college, they drink, and they even they push. They all do without informing their father. And the people, those who were from old generation, they did not used to do any type of addiction like smoke, liquor, and drugs. They did not used to take. But today it has become easy to take all this facility, just because of parents allow them to do all their things. They just give them money to buy their own self, and also, but they take the advantage of their father. They just go to any shop and they do unwanted thing and unnecessary thing which should not be happen with them. But even they don't have time to play outdoor games. They whole day they play online games only, and that's because of online games they have become lazy as well. But people, those who were from old generation, they were very fit, and they had more strong energy in them, and they were ready to fight with anyone, and they used to tackle with their problems. And that I wanted to say about old generation and also new generation. Thank you everyone. That's all about old generation versus new generation. One more point I forgot to say, that I wanted to add, that even the car and bikes are there in the society, we can see, and they are just polluting our country, and the people, those who just want to make their building, they are just cutting trees down, and they are building buildings. And just because of their infrastructure, just because of their buildings, it is harming human beings as well as animals. And even we cannot see more birds in our planet. They have just flown away somewhere else, and they are killed by the human being only, I can say. just because they want their own shelter. They don't worry and they don't think about other shelter. And but earlier, when we used to wake up in the morning, we used to hear the sound of birds and peacocks. We used to hear this kind of sounds. But now this all sound has gone somewhere else. Yes, this all sounds has gone from somewhere else. We used to see many animals on the road while going and while traveling. But now, today, we cannot see any kind of animals just because pollution has been increased and all the animals and birds are getting died. Even the people are not worrying about them. And the dogs, those who expect something from human being, they also don't get from the human being like a biscuits and sweets and milk. Even the people ignore them on the road and they don't want to feed them. Rarely, some of the people we can find on the planet, like among 100%, we can find only 2 to 3% of people, those who help the animals, those who worry about animals. But rather than we cannot expect from everyone that they help people. This was the few points that I spoke about the young generation or old generation. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot and also learned something from me that I just wanted to deliver from myself. And it was a big opportunity for me to speak over here. And the presentation that I gave today, it was wonderful for me, and I experienced nice over here while speaking. And this was the presentation which was kept by the excellence, and I felt very good over here while speaking. And it's all about speaking, not about topic. So that's all about speaking. That's all about my topic. Thank you so much.